This morning I'm up early because it's my grandma's birthday in heaven. She would be 103, and I've got a craving. I'm hungry. So we're going to bake a s'mores brownie cake. We'll see how this comes out. I've got marshmallows, graham cracker, and chocolate chips down there. First we're going to crack 2 eggs and 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. Alrighty then. Let's get started. That's it. 2/3. I'm gonna measure that. Crack your eggs. Oh. Yeah, I find that easier. I need 2 hands to do this. If I had me a boyfriend cameraman, that would be great. Yeah. Alright, I'm sorry. I gotta do this with 2 hands. But yes, I learned that you don't have to just crack it on the table. You can just tap it. Woo! Well, I guess you could try it with 1 hand. Let's try it. It can be done. It's not as easy. I just crack 2 eggs and then the olive oil. Well, not olive oil, vegetable oil. Well, that's all the time we got here, but I'm going to mix that up before I begin to bake.